Atrás. Tu don't what is it?
Stay light.
I will get the picture. We. What?
Don't fight. Hey, leave the fight. 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 Pick up. Come on, help you. That one, that lazy one there.
Don't call me like this, sir. I'm staying with him. I'm staying with him. He's my husband.
Hey, go with your husband. Yes, and then there's a captain. There's a case open against you, and then we have to take you to the police station for interrogation.
You have to take me
to the police station for questioning.
Yes.
As soon as possible. So
is Captain Collins here?
I don't know about Collins. I'm going to take you to the police station for questioning.
What decision? Where do you?
Fisher.
Who do you?
Fisher, I'm the captain. I'm the principal commander. So we're going to take you now for
You're not the commander, Fisher.
I'm the commander. I can ask there is my members. Maybe they don't know me, maybe the other people they know me. But you know, you got to know me there by the police station. You've got the right to remain silent. Anything you may say, and then be taken down and then down as the evidence in court of law. Come for me.
I need to understand. The law. The law. Section 87. Whoa. Colin, this is peaceful. Can I bring you one? Can I take my shirt off? Oh, one man. Yeah, just walk. Peace. We want peace. We do.
Peaceful demonstration. Peaceful demonstration.
Yeah, that's go inside there. That's go inside. Peace.
What are you charging him for?
The detective will talk to him that there's a case open already.
For what?
Case open against him. Yeah, we can.
What case are we going to get you?
Stop taking photos!